Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're gonna review about Philips Multigroom Series 5000 trimmer. So let's start with the trimmer first. You can see over here the very first thing is its top. It is the metal trimmer. It is completely metal guys, and it has dual cut technology. You can see over here it has two blades on top and they are curved from the top. You can see over here, so you can see I will also turn it on and I will show you how does it work. So you can see over here the top is completely metal. The second thing is about its grip, which is really cool, which is really amazing. It is made up of rubber, you can see over here, and it gives you a complete grip over the trimmer. You can see over here I can easily adjust it in my hand. You can see over here. Okay, if we go down, you can see over here it's written here all the details about this machine, and you can see over here it is water resistant, so means you can wash it in the water. Okay, and then if we go at the back side, the button, power on off button, is over here. Okay, so when I turn it on, I will show you how does it work. So now I turn it on and then you can see the blades movement. Okay, you can see the blade movement. Okay, it is really cool guys because it has dual cut technology. Okay, so let me turn it off now and then we move ahead. Okay, so guys, this is the first thing, and at the back side it has a charging port. You can see over here. I will also show you the charger, so you can see over here the charging port. So the other thing about this trimmer is you have to charge it for 16 hours and it gives you 80 minutes of battery time, so you can use it for like 1 hour and 20 minutes, which is really cool guys, which is really amazing. And the other thing, you do not have to use it while you are charging. So whenever you have to use, you have to remove it from the charger and then you have to use it. So guys, let's move to the combs. Okay, so these three are the hair combs, you can see over here, and they also, the size is written over here. You can see the size here is 9 mm. You can see over here the size is 9 mm. So this is 9 mm hair comb and this is made of plastic. Okay, then we have this 12 mm. This is the 12 mm. Okay, and then this is 12 mm hair comb, you can see over here. Okay, and then we have a 16 mm. So this is the 16 mm hair comb. Okay, and then we have stubble combs. This stubble comb, these two are stubble combs. So the first one is 1 mm guys. Okay, so this is the 1 mm stubble combs, and then we have the second one, which is a 2 mm. Okay, it is also made up of plastic. Okay, and the third thing, which is really cool, which I like the most, is adjustable beard comb. Okay, and then you can adjust it. This is 3 to 7 mm. Okay, so this is 3 to 7 mm, you can see over here. And now I will show you, if you adjust it, these tips will move up. So for example, now it is at 3 mm. Okay, and now I will move it to 4. Okay, so you can see it moves up, and then I move it to 5. So you can see it moves up again. Then this is 6, and then this is 7. So now it is completely at 7, and now it is completely up. So this is how it moves, this is how it adjusts, and it gives you a very cool trimming for your beard. So you can see over here. So this is like that, and if I try to move it back to 3, so you will see it will go down. You can see over here. So now it is completely down. The other important and cool thing is this one. This is called detail metal trimmer guys. So guys, this is detail metal trimmer, you can see over here. So this detail metal trimmer is for design like beard, side cuts, or patterns. So if you want to make designs in your beard, or you want to make some patterns, so this is really cool. This is the detail metal trimmer. The upper portion is made up of metal, and the downside they have plastic over here, and then there is a adjustment. So you can see over here, this is the detail metal trimmer. The other thing is about which I like the most is nose and ear trimmer. So this is for your nose hairs and for ear hairs. So you can see over here. So when I put on this one, and then it will start vibrate, and will also cut the nose hair and ear hairs, which is very difficult to cut. So you can see over here it is completely plastic, but the top side is metal. So this is the other thing. Okay guys, and the other thing which I want to show you is about the charger. So this is the charger. Okay, so you don't have to use it under water while you are charging. Otherwise you can use it, you can wash the trimmer. And this is the charger. So you can see over here, so this is the charger top that you can put, you can plug in. Okay guys, so the charging time, as I told you, is 16 hours, and it gives you 80 minutes of battery life. Okay, so this is the charger, all details are over here. Okay, so this is the charger. The other cool thing is it also comes with a small brush. So this is the brush. So the brush is basically to clean your hair. So sometime when you use it, your hair will go inside, then you can clean it, or you can also use it to clean your comb. So you can also use it to clean the comb. So this is really cool thing. Okay, the other thing is about the pouch. So this is the pouch over here. So you can see, so this is the pouch over here. So you can also put in your pouch while you are traveling. It is really helpful. So now what we will do, we will put the combs, and we will see how does it work. So first of all, if I open the metal trimmer from the top, I can also open it. Simply I have to just push it like that. Okay, so you can see now it is open. So this is the inside of the trimmer. So you can see, so this is the inside, and this is the metal trimmer top. Okay, you can also use only this one. So now what I will do, I will just put the nose and ear trimmer. So you can see over here, so you can put it like that. Okay, and then just push it, and then it is ready to work. So when I turn it on now, so you can see over here, it is really cool. It is vibrating now. Okay guys, so this is how it works. So this is from the top. Okay, so you just have to, for example, if you want to use it for the nose, you just have to put in your nose, and then just start moving around like this, and it will start cutting your hairs inside the nose, which is normally very difficult to cut. So this is how it look. Okay, and if you want to remove it, just push it like that, and it is very easy to remove. Okay, so the second thing is what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this detail trimmer. Same thing, what we have to do, we have to adjust it like this, and then it is adjusted. Okay, so this is the detail metal trimmer. So this is for the design and patterns of the beard. So I will turn it on. So you can see over here. Okay guys, so now it is working completely fine, and you can see it is vibrating, and it also have dual cut technology. So you can see over here, and you can see this is from the downside. So this is how it looks. If you want to remove it, simply go on the top. Okay, and then just push it like that, and it is working. So now what we will do, we will put the adjustable trimmer, but first we have to put this metal trimmer to make it work. So I will put the metal trimmer. So you can see over here, now I push it. Okay, so now it is adjusted. Okay, now we will put the adjustable comb. You can see over here, simply I have to put it like this. Okay, you can see over here. and then I push it, and now it is completely fine. And from here I can adjust the number. So if you want a 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, whatever you want, you can adjust it. For example, I put it to 4, and then I turn it on. Okay, and then you can see over here it is working completely fine. Okay, so you have to use it like this. Okay, okay, now I will remove it. Simply go at the back. Okay, and then just push it like this, and then it will be removed. Okay, so if you want to use them, you can also use them. For example, if I want to use this one, simply I will put it like that, and then I push it, and then it is adjusted. You can see this is the beard comb. Okay, and you can see it is working perfectly fine. So if I want to remove it, simply I will push it from the back, and then it will be removed. So guys, this is how you guys can use the other ones as well. So guys, this is the premium product, but it does not have any type of light over here which gives you the indication about charging or how much battery is left. So this thing is not available in this series, but otherwise I'm really satisfied with the product. It is a complete premium product because of the dual cut technology. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.